Arthritis is a condition that causes inflammation in the joints, leading to pain, stiffness, and swelling. This inflammation can make everyday movements challenging and painful. Inflammation is our body's natural defense mechanism against injury and infection. However, when it becomes chronic, it can lead to ongoing pain and tissue damage. In people with arthritis, this chronic inflammation can worsen pain and damage to the joints. And guess what? Certain foods can either promote or reduce inflammation in our bodies. Today, we'll be talking about the 6 foods that can trigger arthritis pain. These foods can increase inflammation in your body, so if you have arthritis, you need to avoid them. First on our list is sugary foods. Sugary foods and beverages can increase the levels of inflammatory markers in your body. High sugar intake stimulates the release of inflammatory cytokines, which can worsen arthritis pain. Specific foods to avoid include candy, sodas, sweetened tea, energy drinks, sports drinks, baked goods like cookies and cakes, and some breakfast cereals. Second on our list is dairy products. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and butter contain casein, a type of protein that can cause inflammation in some individuals. If you notice more joint pain after consuming dairy, consider avoiding them or opt for non-dairy alternatives. Third on our list is processed foods. Processed foods, including fast foods and snack items, are often high in trans fats, refined carbohydrates, and additives that can trigger inflammation. Trans fats contain partially hydrogenated oils that increase the production of inflammatory cytokines, worsening inflammation and joint pain in arthritis. Refined carbs can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, which can lead to increased production of inflammatory substances. This can worsen arthritis pain. Avoid fast food items, processed snacks like chips and cracker, frozen meals, and packaged baked goods. Before we continue, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Fourth on our list is fried and fatty foods. Fried and fatty foods are bad for arthritis because they are high in unhealthy fats, particularly trans fats and saturated fats, which promote inflammation in the body. Additionally, these foods can contribute to weight gain, which puts extra stress on weight-bearing joints, further worsening arthritis symptoms. Reducing intake of fried and fatty foods can help manage inflammation and improve overall joint health. Fifth on our list is alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can exacerbate inflammation and worsen arthritis symptoms. Alcohol can increase the levels of inflammatory markers in the body. Limit or avoid beer, wine, spirits, and cocktails. Last but not least, nightshade vegetables like tomatoes, eggplants, peppers, and potatoes contain solanine, a chemical that can trigger inflammation in some people with arthritis. If you notice joint pain after eating these, it might be worth limiting them. Remember, everyone's body reacts differently. Some foods that trigger inflammation in one person may not affect another.